Welcome to the Tundra!
Tundra is a major zone of treeless level or rolling ground found in cold regions, mostly north of the Arctic Circle. The tundra is known for large stretches of bare ground and rock, and for patchy things of vegetation such as mosses, lichens, herbs, and small shrubs. It supports a meager but unique variety of animals. The Finns called their treeless northern reaches the Tunturai, but the concept of a vast frozen plain as a special ecological realm called tundra was developed by the Russians. Some tundra quick facts. Did you know less precipitation falls in tundra than in deserts? The tundra's summer season lasts 50 to 60 days. The sun never sets during the tundra's summer season. One constant factor of the tundra is the freezing and thawing of the ground. Along with that, this freeze-thaw cycle sets the tundra apart from other ecosystems around the area. The permafrost in the ground has a major effect on the plants and animals of the region. The extent of the tundra biome is actually pretty considerable, considering it takes up around 10% of the Earth's surface. In North America, the line of the tundra lies above 60 degrees north latitude, but in Eurasia, it's north of 70 degrees latitude. Alpine tundra covers approximately 3% of Earth's land surface and is mostly found in the northern hemisphere. It's found mainly in mountainous areas or at other high elevations where temperatures are too low and winds are too strong for the growth of trees.
So for the plants and soil in the tundra, there's many factors that make it so it's hard for plants to grow, and also it makes the soil really bad. And some of those things are really cold temperatures and how it's cold like 9 to 10 months out of the year, preventing plants to grow, and also makes the soil really cold, which causes permafrost, which makes the soil almost impossible to grow plants in because it just decays all of the nutrients from the dead plants because it's too cold for them to decay. Plants in the tundra are unique in a lot of ways. Some being they don't grow tall, and there's literally no trees because the wind would make it too cold for them to grow. So almost all the plants grow in big clumps, and they're only like this tall to keep them out of the wind. And some of those plants are the bearberry, the Labrador tea, the Arctic willow, and the Arctic moss. And so most of them are really colorful and grow in clumps, like I said. And there's also a lot of moss on rocks, and that grows pretty good there because it doesn't require good soil to grow. Okay, so some of the other things about plants in the tundra are the adaptations, and that makes them special because the roots can only grow a certain way down in the soil because there's permafrost, so it's impossible to grow. And they have also adapted to the really cold temperatures since the growing season is only 2 to 3 months per year. With little sun in the tundra, the water that is there evaporates very slowly, so the plants can retain water a lot better because of no sun, and that makes it so they can grow faster with more nutrients in the soil even though it's very cold. Throughout the permafrost, there's carbon contained in it, and when it comes into the warm season, it will give off carbon, which then turns the permafrost into a warmer temperature, which can decompose the dead plant material, which releases carbon into the atmosphere. Throughout the 1,700 different plants, which are grasslands, shrubs, flowers, and moss, and all the different unique factors on how they grow, the tundra is one of the most unique places where plants grow in the whole entire world.
Animals in the tundra have many different adaptations. One of these adaptations is the changing of fur color. Some animals, like the tundra rabbit, can change its fur from brown in the summer to white in the winter. This helps the rabbit blend in to the snow and helps it avoid predators. Another animal in the tundra is the stoat, also called the short-haired weasel. The scientific name is Mustela erminia. The classification is a mammal. They are mainly found in Europe, Asia, North America, and even have been spotted inside the Arctic Circle. They can grow up to 11 inches. There aren't only just animals in the tundra. There are also plants. There is Arctic moss, diamond leaf willows, and also grass. Another animal of the tundra is the very majestic Musk Ox. See, there's one now. See it? Oh my gosh. There is a musk ox. In its natural habitat, everyone. Oh my gosh, this is revolutionary. Let's keep walking. The musk ox is a mammal. They can get up to 5 feet tall. I think this one's closer to 4. Yeah. They can also weigh up to 670 pounds. I think this one is over average. And they live in herds of 8 to 24 I don't know where the rest of this herd is. I don't know why he's following us. Let's go!